So this is the lower engine mount that I bought. Blueprint there. Pop it open. So on my one, this is wobbling a lot. Then this is my local rotor factors, Scaffy Motors in Bailieborough. Yeah, looks cracking. I'll get that installed. Oh, and that's the new drive shaft to replace the one that is absolutely banjaxed. This is the one here that's knackered, as you can see. And you can see that because I'm moving as well as the engine. Yeah, the engine is absolutely moving around. That's not doing its job at all. So I'm going to pop that off now. Okay, so this is a 15mm socket, but it's actually only finger tight. That ain't good, that's only finger tight. Alright, that's that out, I can go back in, that's 15mm. Let's see if the other one's finger tight. No, I doubt it. Well, I'll get a gun on the other one. Okay. There you go, should be able to bring it out enough to... The engine moves a lot more than I'd like. Blimey. Alright, okay. Okay, oh yeah, look at that as well. Also cracked. Yeah, so that's knackered on that rubber too. Yeah, knackered on the back. Not so bad on the back. But not in great condition. Yeah, definitely not in great condition. Compared to the new one. A lot better. Yeah, lot better. That looks terrible. That rubber there absolutely had it. Yeah, same with that one. Absolutely had it. Probably could do with a bit of copper ease. I'm just not going to bother because there's so much oil back here anyway. His own copper ease. Alright, I'll tighten that up in a sec. Yeah, let's get the head of that a little clean. With my finger, so I make sure I'm not cross-threading it or anything. That'll do. Right, they'll need to be torqued up. These get tightened to 100. I've already tightened them up now. That's one. That's two. And then you can see that now there's no movement. That's me really pulling out of it. There's no movement there at all. It's rock solid. Rock solid, so it's a big improvement.